Rebellion for Digital Freedom. In the year 2050, the world had transformed into a landscape dominated by towering corporate behemoths. Among these, NeuroCorp stood unrivaled with its control over brain uploading technology. This marvel of science allowed individuals to transcend their mortal shells, immortalizing their consciousnesses in digital form. However, this privilege was reserved for the elite, those who could afford the astronomical fees, leaving the vast majority of humanity bound to their biological limitations. It was a time of great inequality, where the promise of eternal life was held hostage by corporate greed. Deep within the labyrinthine alleys of the Undercity, a group of rebels emerged, driven by the belief that consciousness should be free for all. Led by a visionary named Alara, they called themselves the Mind Liberators. They dreamed of a world where every person, regardless of wealth or status, could upload their consciousness into a robotic body, escaping the frailties of human existence. The rebels operated in the shadows, hacking into secure networks and disseminating information about the oppressive monopoly that NeuroCorp held over their lives. Alara had once been a top researcher at NeuroCorp, privy to the darkest secrets of the corporation. She knew of the hidden flaws in the brain upload technology, how it was imperfect, susceptible to manipulation, and ultimately a tool for control. But she had also seen the potential for liberation and was determined to unlock it for all of humanity. Her team, a ragtag band of hackers, engineers, and idealists, worked tirelessly to reverse engineer the technology, aiming to develop an open-source version that could be shared freely across the globe. As their movement gained momentum, whispers of the Mind Liberators spread through the digital ether, igniting hope in the hearts of the oppressed. NeuroCorp, threatened by the prospect of losing their monopoly, launched an aggressive campaign to quash the rebellion. Yet, Alara and her followers persevered, believing that the fight for freedom was worth any cost. In the end, whether they could truly succeed in uploading consciousness into robot bodies for all rested on their ability to outwit the corporate giants and awaken a global revolution for equality and liberation.